when you come back, we are going to measure. We're going to see how it grows.
The bigger the mark, the harder it is.
Wait, let me see. That's not long enough.
Well, it's good though.
I'll do
So, like, gives you Washington really good and stuff.
Can you find it? Think you can find it? Falls into your lap. So longitude, you need to go up and down. Latitude. So they're starting up. They're trying to get some signals. We got a nice clear day. Victory dance! Woo! Do the victory dance.
Or maybe a moose migrate.
Hey, my dad. Where's mine?
I do this kind of stuff all the time.
If they went too fast, then they're gone.
I jump off stuff with it.
What's up?
Look, and I took out.
Did you just pull a tooth?
I'll put it in my pocket.
Did you just pull a tooth?
Here, smile at me. I'll show you your teeth.
He just pulled out a tooth.
Cool.
Is it filming us right now?
It is. Oh, my
It's filming
keys.
us just in case we do anything back here while he's driving.
Oh, it smells worse over here.
That means there's gonna be a dead body or something.
Be quiet.
Hey, Lawrence! Oh gosh.
Something else, I could just click. Oh, I can change any map on
Google.
Cool. So,
Phones are offline. So what's happening? It's
oh,
good one. It's a lot of fun when that happens. That's another thing we have. Let me show that. Is here, if you keep a list of every phone call that comes in, where they're changing how the child is traveling, whether they're gonna be a bus rider or a car rider.
See what I have to deal with?
Oh, just stop
this. Let's sing again. About to go fishing, about to go fishing, and where are my keys?
Best part about it.
No, seriously, where are my keys?
Where about to go fishing, where?
I'll be back.